Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts, unable to find peace? In today's video, we'll explore a powerful yet simple technique that can dramatically cleanse your mental state. By integrating specific words into your daily life, you can begin to clear the clutter that weighs down your mind. This approach isn't just about reducing stress, it's about transforming your entire outlook. So, if you're ready to experience a lighter, more serene mental environment, let's look into how this can be achieved through the power of words. Mental clutter. These two words capture a common yet complex problem many of us face. But what exactly is mental clutter? It refers to the excessive mental activity that can dominate our thoughts, often manifesting as constant worrying, overthinking, or even an inability to make decisions. This mental noise can be more than just distracting. It can also lead to emotional exhaustion and decreased productivity. Now, you might wonder, what contributes to this buildup of mental debris? Several factors can be at play. One of the primary sources is stress, whether from our personal lives, our jobs, or even from global events that we absorb through daily news. And another significant contributor is digital overload. In our connected world, we're bombarded with information, notifications, and entertainment. While these technologies have their benefits, they often leave our minds no room to rest and reset. Our own expectations and pressures, which we internalize from society or impose on ourselves, also add to this clutter. These pressures can make us feel as though we're never doing enough, further fueling cycles of overthinking and worry. Understanding the impact of words on our minds opens up a new avenue for self-care and mental hygiene. Words are not just tools for communication. They profoundly shape our reality and influence our mental states. For instance, think about the difference in how you feel when someone says you are capable versus inadequate. And these words can either uplift us or weigh us down. Given their power, words can be used strategically to combat mental clutter. By choosing words that promote feelings of peace and calm, we can start to influence our emotional states positively. Words have the unique capacity to trigger our imagination and emotions, guiding our thoughts towards more peaceful and less chaotic patterns. Building on our understanding of how words impact our mental state, let's look into a special category of words known as cleansing words. Cleansing words are specifically chosen to help clear the mental clutter that we discussed earlier. They're powerful tools that, when used consciously, can significantly alleviate stress and restore calm to our minds. What makes these words cleansing? It's their inherent ability to promote feelings of relaxation and release. For example, words like release, peace, calm, and light are not just words. They are verbal expressions of the state we desire to achieve. When we say or think these words, they can help shift our focus from chaotic thoughts to a state of calm and clarity. And let's talk about examples of cleansing words. Release encourages the letting go of pent-up emotions or thoughts. Peace invokes a serene atmosphere, easing the mind. Calm lowers stress levels and increases our sense of stability. Light suggests a burden being lifted, enhancing feelings of ease and comfort. Incorporating these words into your daily language can have a profound effect on your psychological well-being. Their usage can be as simple as repeating them during stressful moments or integrating them into daily affirmations. Knowing about cleansing words is one thing, but learning how to effectively incorporate them into your daily life is where the real transformation begins. Here are some practical ways to use these powerful tools. Practical usage. Daily affirmations start your day by stating a few cleansing words or phrases. For example, you could say, "Today I release all negativity," or "I am surrounded by calm." These affirmations set a positive tone for the day, preemptively addressing mental clutter. Mindful pauses throughout your day. Take brief moments to pause and consciously think or whisper a cleansing word. This practice can serve as a mental reset, clearing away any accumulating stress or negative thoughts. The key to making the most of cleansing words is repetition and consistency. Just as negative thoughts can become habitual, so too can positive ones. By regularly using these words, you reinforce their calming effects and gradually make them a natural part of your mental landscape. Routine integration. Incorporate cleansing words into your regular routines. For example, while brushing your teeth or taking a shower, focus on a word like calm. This not only cleanses your mind, but also turns routine activities into moments of mindfulness. Sticky notes and reminders. Place sticky notes with cleansing words in places you frequently see, like your bathroom mirror or computer monitor. These visual reminders can prompt you to think about and use these words more often throughout the day. By implementing these simple yet effective techniques, you empower yourself to maintain a cleaner, more peaceful mental state. Cleansing words are not just words, they are tools for life transformation. As you continue to use them, you may find that they not only clear mental clutter, but also enhance your overall emotional resilience. Affirmations are powerful tools for shaping our thoughts and, by extension, our experiences. By crafting affirmations using cleansing words, we further enhance their impact on our mental state. Let's explore how to construct effective affirmations and see some practical examples. Creating effective affirmations. To craft an affirmation that truly resonates and has the power to transform your mental landscape, start by choosing words that align with the feelings you wish to cultivate. The key is to ensure these affirmations are positive, present tense, and clear. For instance, rather than saying, "I don't want to feel stressed," reframe it positively, "I am feeling peaceful and calm." This positive framing reinforces your desired state of mind and helps shift your internal narrative. Sample affirmations. I release all tension now and welcome peace into every moment. I am surrounded by calm no matter the chaos around me. Every breath I take fills me with tranquility and light. These affirmations should be repeated regularly. Consider incorporating them into your morning routine or using them as mantras during meditation or when feeling overwhelmed. The repetition not only helps in making these words a part of your subconscious, but also amplifies their cleansing effect over time. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of our thoughts and feelings without distraction or judgment. When combined with the use of cleansing words, mindfulness can significantly amplify the effectiveness of your efforts to cleanse your mental state. Incorporating mindfulness into the practice of using cleansing words means paying full attention to these words as you say them, rather than just reciting them mechanically. For example, when you use the word peace, try to really feel that peace as you say it, imagining its calming effect spreading through your body and mind. Let's talk about a few techniques to enhance your mindfulness practice. Focused breathing. While reciting an affirmation, synchronize it with your breath. Say one part of the affirmation as you inhale and complete it as you exhale. This not only helps in maintaining focus, but also deepens the calming effect of words. Mindful walking. If you find sitting still challenging, try a walking meditation. As you walk, use your cleansing words with each step. This can be especially effective in nature, where the surrounding environment supports a peaceful mental state. Sensory focus. Choose an object to focus on. A flower, a candle flame, or even a piece of art. As you focus, silently repeat your cleansing word or affirmation, allowing yourself to fully engage with the present moment. These mindfulness practices, when combined with your chosen cleansing words, create a powerful dual effect on your mental clarity and emotional resilience. As you become more adept at these techniques, you'll likely notice a significant reduction in mental clutter, leading to a more serene and focused state of mind. As we continue, we'll look into common challenges that might arise when adopting these practices and how to effectively overcome them. Accepting these techniques might require some adjustment, but the benefits to your mental and emotional well-being are well worth the effort. Stay with us as we learn to navigate these challenges together. Integrating cleansing words and mindfulness into daily life isn't without its hurdles. One common challenge is maintaining consistency. It's often easy to start with great enthusiasm, but daily pressures and a packed schedule can quickly sideline these new habits. Another potential barrier is doubt. At the outset, you might question whether something as simple as words or affirmations can genuinely affect change. This skepticism can dampen your initial commitment. To navigate these challenges effectively, start with realistic goals. It's beneficial to introduce cleansing words into just one part of your day initially, and as this becomes a habit, expand their use to other times. Employ reminders, such as alerts on your phone or notes placed in frequent view, to keep your practice top of mind. Additionally, involving a friend or a support group can enhance your accountability and motivation, providing an external source of encouragement and feedback. Patience and persistence are vital. Changes in mental patterns don't occur overnight. The benefits of using cleansing words and mindfulness accumulate gradually, so it's important to recognize and celebrate small successes, such as feeling calmer after a session or noticing a decrease in negative thoughts over time. The perseverance through initial challenges leads to the rewarding aspect of this practice, the long-term benefits that regular use of cleansing words and mindfulness brings. These techniques not only improve your immediate mental environment, but also contribute to sustained mental health and overall emotional well-being. Regular engagement with these practices can significantly reduce stress, leading to a more relaxed state of mind and lower feelings of being overwhelmed. They also enhance mental clarity, simplifying decision-making processes and improving concentration. Over time, these practices foster emotional resilience, equipping you to handle life's stresses with more ease and calm. Consider hypothetical cases that illustrate these benefits. Picture someone who battled with chronic anxiety and started using cleansing words like peace and calm every day. Over months, they noticed a substantial decrease in their anxiety levels and an improvement in their life quality. Another individual might use these practices to manage job-related stress, finding themselves more composed in stressful situations and more present and effective at work. As you grow more comfortable and familiar with using cleansing words in your daily routine, expanding your vocabulary can be a rewarding next step. Learning new words and integrating them into your mindfulness practice can keep the experience fresh and continuously effective. To broaden your repertoire of cleansing words, you might engage with different types of content such as poetry, spiritual texts, or motivational speeches. These sources often use powerful, evocative language that can resonate on a deep emotional level. You can also keep a journal of words that you encounter which invoke a sense of peace or release. Over time, this personalized list becomes a tailored toolkit for combating mental clutter. Experiment with these new words in various contexts to see which ones resonate most strongly with you. Each word might not work for every person or situation, so it's important to find the ones that align best with your personal needs and feelings. This exploration not only enhances your mental cleansing practice, but also deeply personalizes the experience, making it more effective and enjoyable. To truly reap the benefits of cleansing words and mindfulness, integration into every aspect of your daily life is key. This doesn't mean constantly being in a state of meditation, but rather developing a habit where mindfulness and cleansing words become as routine as breathing. Start by identifying moments throughout your day that naturally lend themselves to a mindful pause, such as while drinking your morning coffee, waiting at a traffic light, or before starting a new task at work. Use these pauses to focus on a cleansing word, allowing the calm it brings to seep into these everyday activities. Placing sticky notes with your chosen cleansing words in strategic locations around your home and workspace can serve as visual cues to engage in your mindfulness practice. These reminders can help keep the words at the forefront of your mind, making it easier to incorporate them throughout your day. In today's digital age, there are numerous apps designed to assist with mindfulness and meditation. Some apps offer features like daily reminders to practice mindfulness or provide new cleansing words and affirmations to consider. Utilizing these tools can provide structure and variety to your practice, helping to keep it dynamic and integrated into your digital routines. As we wrap up, remember that the journey to a clearer mental state is ongoing and ever evolving. The use of cleansing words and the practice of mindfulness are not just techniques to be used in isolation, but are skills to be woven into the fabric of your life. By regularly engaging with these practices, you ensure they become second nature, leading to sustained mental clarity and emotional balance. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of cleansing words, and I encourage you to continue this practice, exploring its depth and breadth in your journey toward mental wellness.